most of our classroom, I failed typing.
Well,
I
because
got an
because
F
it's
in
just boring.
typing. It wasn't until I went back after I finished school and I learned to type. But anyway, that was, I did not like the typing teacher. What I actually found out, and I didn't know this because I really struggled, because whichever side of the, how they'd have your book on one side that you had to look at and
Yes,
do
you
the
wanted it
typing.
on the other side.
I wanted it on and I didn't know that. I didn't realize that because I was a lefty, I probably just did it different. So
Yeah.
anyway, her and I clashed and I failed typing. But what I do remember is that we had all of these old manual typewriters, and there were 3 electric typewriters at the back.
Wow.
Yeah, and we would get a chance to use the electric one. Then after I left high school and I went to a TAFE college, which is higher education, like
Yeah.
a bit like a community college in America, I'm assuming,
Yeah.
and did business. I learnt to type there.
Yeah.
So it was a little bit different there. We had all electric computer
Typewriters.
typewriters,
Yeah.
and the ones at the back, there was 3 or 4 electronic ones. Now the beauty of the electronic was that you didn't have to still stop and have the white out or anything, because of course it would have its ribbon of 30 characters or something that were in the memory. So if you made a mistake,
You could
you're
type
able to
back up.
you're able to back up and correct your mistake. So
All right.
yeah,